Hi there, I'm Pritha and welcome to my channel. Wish you all a healthy and happy new year ahead. It's my last video of this year, so thought of sharing a little about my channel today. I share home cooked simple Indian recipes, mostly Bengali style. My recipes are inspired by the food I grew up eating. They're mostly based on traditional Bengali dishes. I share recipes that can be cooked with minimum spices and easily available ingredients. If you like non-oily, non-spicy food, do try these recipes. You can try these recipes if you enjoy eating light and easy to digest food. I personally like eating home-cooked food, and I can eat home-cooked meal for the 365 days a year. I have always felt that Indian recipes are not only full of flavor but healthy as well. You can try a new recipe every day, yet you cannot have enough of it in a lifetime. Believe me, here on my channel, I share the recipes with you all to share a little flavor of my kitchen. And I hope you like my recipes. Let me know in the comments if you have tried my recipes yet. I'd like to thank you all for visiting and watching my recipes. Thank you for subscribing to my channel and all the appreciations. Your comments are motivating and shares are encouraging. Thank you for your time. I appreciate it. Stay well. See you in the next one.